I often get asked, okay, tell us the difference and the pros and cons between real hair and synthetic hair wigs. And I will be honest that I am a big fan of synthetic wigs, and it's why we only carry synthetic wigs at Woman in Disguise. Now, the thing that real hair gives you is that it gives you tons of styling flexibility for a couple reasons. One, it really is real hair, which means that you can flat iron it, curl it, blow dry it, put rollers in it, style it any way you want. Typically, real hair wigs come with tons of flexibility with where you can put the part, and it just gives you all the styling flexibility. Now, the downside to that styling flexibility is the fact that, unfortunately, as soon as you wash that real hair, it looks like our real hair when it's not been styled. So you definitely are gonna have to do maintenance and styling to get a really great look, or else it's just like our real hair. It doesn't look so great without doing anything to it. Now, on the flip side, with synthetic wigs and high quality wigs like we carry at Woman in Disguise, you get that same super natural looking hair, natural feeling hair. But the wonderful thing about synthetic wigs is that it is going to be no maintenance at all or styling required to get the beautiful style that you bought. So if your style has some curls in it, that curl's gonna be there after you wash her and let her dry. If there's a little bit of wave, that same wave's gonna be there. The hair is gonna lay how it's intended to lay every time, wear after wear and wash after wash. Now, you have limited flexibility in styling. You can't take a curly synthetic wig and straighten it with heat to make it straight, for example, with a straightener. No heat for synthetic wigs. But for me, the quick wash and wear appeal to have beautiful hair at my fingertips in minutes, I can't do real hair. I only do synthetic, and it's why we offer it here, because hey, I want to look great, but I don't want to spend hours doing it. And I'm thinking you're probably the same way.